Hello everyone. Hope all of you are doing well at your respective places. Well, today we are going to talk about the changing role of teachers in the 21st century. The way we teach children has stagnated for many years. The teacher stands at the front of the classroom, in front of a whiteboard or blackboard, and relays information for children to learn by rote. Their success is judged on their ability to retain this information and convey it within a strict time constraint. While this method might produce academically smart children, they may end up lacking in other skills that are vital in this age to make them employable. Let's ask ourselves, isn't it time we brought education into 21st century? Today, teachers do more for our children than simply teach them. Often they are also a parent, a friend, a counselor, a disciplinarian. Their job is not only to educate our children, but also to counsel them, to be their friend when they need one, to be a shoulder to cry on, to help them become valuable members of our society. It's time for teachers to embrace their new role in the classroom as a mentor to children. Teachers can guide students by being a positive role model for them, particularly for children that don't have this positive influence at home. By incorporating a teacher-mentor mentality in the classroom, teachers can coach students and encourage them to adapt learning methods that suit their own learning style, thus challenging them and inspiring them to learn. The world is changing. We have seen huge technological changes over the past few years, allowing for the introduction of global influences and access that would have been unheard of 30 years ago. So many children now have a smartphone in their pocket, giving them 24/7 access to the information highway of the internet. Everything they can possibly want to know can be found out on a Wikipedia page. So how can a teacher possibly hope to compete with that? As they get older, students soon find that they can skip going to lectures as they can access the same information online in YouTube videos and web pages. So with this in mind, for us it's time to realize the fact that we need to change the way we teach our children to stay up to date. Perhaps students can find out everything about a subject online, but that may not be the most thought-provoking and interesting way to learn the material. This is where teachers can step in to present the material in a new way. Well, technology can be used to guide the students' learning and engage them in lessons rather than simply to provide them with the knowledge, changing the role of teacher from the font of all knowledge or an instructor to a mentor or coach. This leads to students who are more conscious of their learning, more independent and active in the process, and hopefully inspires them to become lifelong learners. I know all of you are already aware of your changing role in the current times, and you're putting your blood and sweat to ensure that children are able to meet all their learning needs. So a very, very big thank you to all the respected teachers.